Hello and welcome to our video about onsemi's latest announcement regarding the acquisition of GlobalFoundries' 300mm East Fishkill site and fabrication facility. This post is sponsored by Move Technologies, the largest semiconductor equipment marketplace for used and refurbished tools. Click the link above for more information. The acquisition, effective since December 31, 2022, has added over 1,000 world-class technologists and engineers to the onsemi team, making it the largest manufacturing facility in the U.S. For onsemi, this acquisition is part of onsemi's long-term plan to secure the future of the EFK facility and its employees. The EFK fab is equipped with advanced CMOS capabilities, including 40 nanometers and 65 nanometers technology nodes, with specialized processing capabilities required for image sensor production, which will add to onsemi's manufacturing profile. The acquisition includes an exclusive commitment to supply GF with differentiated semiconductor solutions and investments in research and development as both companies collaborate to build on future growth. The EFK facility contributes to the community by retaining more than 1,000 jobs. Onsemi has invested $1.3 billion to continue the Hudson Valley's rich history of science and technology for future generations. Earlier today, the Rochester Institute of Technology, RIT, announced that onsemi has pledged to donate $500,000 over 10 years to support projects in education aimed at increasing the pipeline of engineers in the semiconductor industry. Onsemi will preserve more than 1,000 local jobs, continue to boost the state's leadership in the semiconductor industry, and supply made-in-New York chips for everything from electric vehicles to energy infrastructure across the country, said Senator Schumer. With the addition of EFK to its manufacturing footprint, onsemi will have the only 12-inch power discrete and image sensor fab in the U.S., enabling them to accelerate their growth in the megatrends of vehicle electrification, ADAS, energy infrastructure, and factory automation. Onsemi's commitment to innovation and change in the automotive and industrial end markets is accelerating the pace of progress in vehicle electrification and safety, sustainable energy grids, industrial automation, 5G, and cloud infrastructure. They offer a highly differentiated and innovative product portfolio, delivering intelligent power and sensing technologies that solve the world's most complex challenges. We hope you found this information informative and helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and analysis on the latest semiconductor industry tech trends. Thank you to onsemi for this reference source document. For the full article with more background, charts, and insights, see the link above.